Hi guys, welcome back to our video series. If you could all introduce yourselves.
Hi, I'm Tara. I'm a 3L.
Hey guys, I'm Hetty. I'm a 1L.
Hello everyone, my name is Omar Hussein and I'm a 3L.
Awesome. Could we all talk about our favorite classes at KU Law? And actually, I know that usually we go in an order, but I'm going to go first since I also graduated from KU. My favorite class was Jurisdiction with Mulligan because he had us not only write briefs about relevant legal cases, he also had us do an oral argument in front of him. And it was very positive, constructive criticism, but there was definitely some criticism. And I feel like that really helped me grow as an attorney.
I'll go next. I think that it's really hard for me to choose just one. So I think it would be a tie between the Project for Innocence Clinic along with the skills classes. So deposition skills, expert witness skills, and trial advocacy. A lot of these classes I thought were the most helpful because I was able to transfer the skills that I used in the classes and actually use them in court when I interned at the Jackson County Prosecution Office or when I'm just in court in general. And so I found that to be really helpful because it was something that I was really interested in. I also just love the Project for Innocence Clinic because you get class credit for actually helping out clients. And I think it's so cool to kind of help out people who are claiming actual innocence and, getting to kind of solve a puzzle a little bit and work with a partner and work with really great attorneys in that office to kind of just figure out criminal law.
So I generally get a lot of flack when I say this, but my favorite first year classes at least have been the lawyering classes, which is our legal reading and writing classes. They're more geared similarly to the structure of an undergraduate class, and you do have kind of weekly assignments due, which is a lot different than most other law school classes that I've had thus far. But I have had both Professor Six and Professor Watts in my different semesters. And I think that the reason why I enjoy the class so much is that I feel that I'm learning the most applicable things to being a legal practitioner in the class. Being able to shore up my research skills or learn how to research like a lawyer and learn how to write like a lawyer are imperative to my future success throughout law school and as a lawyer. And so I've really valued my experiences in those classes.
So I think I have two favorites, but I think for completely different reasons. My first one, I loved civil procedure with Professor Hines my first year, but I didn't realize that until the summer. I mean, I love Professor Hines. The class was awesome, but as soon as I came to the summer where I did an internship with the Johnson County District Court judge, I got to see it all in action, and it all made sense, and it was like light bulb, everything clicked, and that was so cool. The second one slash maybe tied for first is patent practice with Professor Carissa Cook. She is an adjunct. She is a rock star in the patent field here in KC. And she walked us through the entire process, from a client interview to submitting a patent. I know I'm interested in patent law. I don't, some people might not be, but and it can be kind of a niche field, but just the practical application of law that was awesome. It was so much fun.
Well, thanks guys, and we'll be back soon with another video in our series.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.